Space is beautiful, but some places out there are so violent, so extreme, and so unforgiving that you wouldn't survive even a single second. Today, we're exploring 5 terrifying places in the universe that you should absolutely never visit, even if humanity becomes advanced enough to travel anywhere. Let's begin. Number 1. WR-104, the star that could vaporize Earth. WR-104 looks peaceful from a distance. A beautiful spiral, floating 8,000 light-years away. But behind that beauty is one of the galaxy's most dangerous objects. WR-104 is a Wolf-Rayet star, a dying, supermassive star in its final, violent phase of life. At any moment, it could explode into a gamma-ray burst, the most powerful type of explosion in the universe. If Earth ever gets hit directly by one of these bursts, everything on the planet would be instantly sterilized. Not burned, not destroyed, erased. Oceans, forests, animals, cities, gone before you even know what happened. A GRB travels at the speed of light. There is no warning, no escape, no survival. And here's the terrifying part. Astronomers believe WR-104 might actually be pointing its death ray right at us. We're probably safe, but nobody can say for sure. Number 2. HD 189733b, the planet with glass ring. This next planet looks stunning. A deep blue world, shimmering like a sapphire in space. But HD 189733b is a cosmic nightmare. Its atmosphere is filled with vaporized glass, and its winds blow at 7,000 kilometers per hour, faster than any storm ever recorded in the universe. Now imagine this: tiny shards of glass, flying sideways at nearly Mach 6, cutting everything in their path. If you stood on this planet, you wouldn't just get injured, you'd be shredded into microscopic dust in less than a fraction of a second. This is not rain. This is a planet-sized blender. Number 3. At the center of the Milky Way, there is something so powerful, so mysterious, that not even light can escape it. Sagittarius A, a supermassive black hole 4 million times the mass of our Sun. If you ever fell into it, your body would stretch into a long, thin strand in a horrifying process scientists call spaghettification. Your feet would feel a stronger gravitational pull than your head, and your body would be ripped apart atom by atom, molecule by molecule, slowly at first, then faster than you can imagine. But here is the part most people don't realize. From your perspective, you wouldn't feel anything unusual at the exact moment you cross the event horizon. You would simply fade from existence. Meanwhile, to the outside universe, you would appear frozen in time. Fall into Sagittarius A, and you're gone forever. Not even information escapes. Number 4. Kepler 16b, the planet with 2 suns. Imagine standing on a planet with 2 suns. 2 shadows behind you. 2 sunsets. 2 sunrises. It sounds beautiful, but Kepler 16b is anything but peaceful. The planet orbits a pair of stars, creating constant violent temperature swings capable of boiling you alive. Radiation levels here are so extreme that even a heavily shielded spacecraft would be torn apart molecule by molecule. And because the stars tug on the planet in different directions, the atmosphere becomes unstable, chaotic, and impossible to survive in. This is the closest real-life version of Tatooine, but visiting it means death within seconds. Number 5. IC 1101, the Death Galaxy. Finally, we travel to one of the largest galaxies ever discovered, IC 1101. It is 1,200 times larger than the Milky Way and filled with things that can kill you instantly. This galaxy is home to thousands of black holes, violent radiation storms, relentless supernova explosions, and extreme gravitational chaos. Even approaching the edges of IC 1101 would expose you to radiation levels that no human body or spacecraft could ever withstand. And deep in the center lies a black hole so enormous, it makes the one in our galaxy look tiny. IC 1101 is not a place for life. It is a graveyard of stars, a cosmic monster that destroys anything that gets too close. The universe is breathtaking, but it's also unbelievably dangerous. These were 5 places in space you should never visit, no matter how advanced humanity becomes. Which one terrified you the most? Tell me in the comments. And if you want part 2, just let me know. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow.